Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Samsung ML-1640 printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once you open your browser, on the search bar, just search for Samsung ML-1640 driver download and then click on enter. Once you do that, just look for the first link right here. So just click on this. And then after that, just scroll down and then look for the driver universal print driver. So click on the drop down button and then we're going to click on basic drivers. After that, we're going to download this. So click on download and then let's wait for this to finish. After that, we're going to click on show in folder and then we're going to double click on this. And then after that, we're going to click on next and then click on this one and then click on this one again and then click on next. And then after that, we're going to click on no printer connection and then click on next again. And then after that, we're going to click on next. After that, let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, just click on finish and then go into your search bar and then search for printers and scanners. Once you do that, just click on open. And then after that, you will now be able to see this Samsung Universal Print Driver. So that is basically it.